back with another banger. Today, we're going to be doing a mukbang. We'll see how the mukbang goes. We got some pizza. We got some wings. Can't wait to eat the wings. We got pizza and wings, but we're going to be doing a mukbang. I'm introducing my brother. My name is Jaron. My name is Jaron. That's the G Squad. We're going to get it back to it. I'm going to need you to do things, a couple things.
Like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below what prank we should do next or challenge.
So we about to get started. With this mukbang. We got some garlic sauce and some pizza sauce. We got some pizza sauce. We got pizza sauce. Pizza sauce right here. Yeah, we're gonna start. What's up? Is more garlic sauce in it?
Nah, there ain't more garlic sauce in it.
No, yeah, there's garlic sauce right here. Yeah, the pizza sauce right here. You put that over there for me. Yeah, we got some pizza wings. Now we can start. I can't wait.
I'm gonna start eating this. I don't know what it is.
It's pizza, but it don't got
no sauce.
Yeah. Good.
For some reason, I just hate pizza sauce by itself. I'm dipping it in something. That's nasty. I ain't dipping it in there.
Garlic sauce. It's pizza. I'm lying. Something eat like that. I ain't eat all day.
Alright. I ate lunch. I ate breakfast. Then I was away from the house at lunchtime. I was up there at the court playing basketball.
You saw me, bro? I was flipping them in their face.
I shot 2 threes.
I know I shot a 3 and dude face. Switch the hands face. Come on. I hate when I'm 5 years. Now, we only got 5 for real, but we like.
They sneak through the cracks of the air conditioners.
I hate that. Come through my air conditioner. They be coming in and out. Oh. Nah. I just lied. I didn't want the wings for real, to be honest. I'm gonna eat them though. Of course.
I eat my crust on my pizza.
I just ain't gonna eat it because I wanna do that.
Comment down below, do y'all eat y'all crust on y'all pizza? With y'all pizza?
Right. Because some people don't do it. Well,
they don't like crust. They say crust, man.
Right. It's good. Oh, my sauce.
Drunk the wings next.
Oh, that's a motorcycle?
That's a plane.
That's a that's a damn motorcycle. That's a damn motorcycle. I hate them. Just keep grabbing it.
It's like for my food to go down.
I'm getting full.
All ready? I hate the chicken with the bone.
Alright.
You gotta pick most of the parts.
Oh. First of all, I like the chicken tenders. The ones you gotta, where the boneless. Yeah. I thought better. Something like right here, I eat the top. Oh. Press it in. I'm gonna eat the wing this time. I'm gonna eat the wing.
I just hate it. Pizza. And the garlic sauce.
I never saw you. Mama was like, I'm about to order some pizza and some wings. I was like, I got happy. She was like, I'm gonna put some pizza in. Some wings. I said, oh, let's go. Smash. Oh, look at this. This ain't even that hot. Alright. I'm just gonna squat. I don't feel like it. I ain't gonna do it. Go on. Oh, we got juices in here. You know? Yeah.
Okay.
Kool-Aid.
Let me get them.
Keep my feet. Or stay over there.
It's over there, though.
What? So that's gonna fall again. Oh,
I'm getting full.
oh God! I'm about to go back to this pizza.
I got one of these. I don't know what they call. 2 wings. And half a piece of that I'm eating.
I only got like 2 wings left. 2 pieces. They said we were gonna get 3 pieces. I cheated. I got 4 pieces. Plus the one that got some more.
You know when you was putting something in the microwave? I had 5. I ate 2.
Then you got cold fast. I was just warming this up earlier. Let me touch it yet. You want them?
Okay.
You want them butter sauce? Oh, you already got some? Those are right there. I'm getting real full now. Man, I'm about to just, yeah. Okay, drink. One of the juices.
I was all hyped up ready. But this Papa John's.
I want pizza.
I like pizza on for real.
Pizza Hut. My mama was going to give us some roses.
And Rose is nasty.
Nah, the rice is good, but it's just like mad sauce on it. You don't like it? I'll say roses are okay. The cheese good though. Alright. Hot sauce.
I'll be back. I'm gonna go get us some water.
Alright. And it's filled up the water thing?
Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna go get some water. And good. We still got pizza and wings left in there. We still got pizza and wings left. Yeah, we're real good. I didn't eat that much. I did, but I didn't. Okay. Delicious. Wipe my hands off. The chicken. I really don't like the skin. I really don't eat the skin. This chicken ain't that good. He back. Ooh. We gonna save the juices for later.
I got water. Got a container.
After I'm done drinking this, after I'm done eating this, I'm gonna go give me a juice. And I'm gonna drink that water. And I'm gonna give me some juice.
This is the last thing I'm gonna put in eat.
It's nasty for him.
He's thick.
Mama?
Yeah.
Who's she yelling at?
Nothing else.
They always getting yelled at. I ain't getting in trouble in a minute though. No, I'm not finna eat that shit. I don't want no more.
Why?
I just don't want it. It's nasty.
Go get the spicy garlic kind.
I seen that in the spicy garlic, but I said I ain't gonna eat it. Then you got spicy garlic? With the other guy? Oh, water? It's cold. I can feel it. It's too cold. I'm done already.
You done your water?
Yeah, this is gonna be the last thing I'm eating. I ain't about to eat no more. I'm full. It's not even that good. I was gonna get garlic, spicy garlic, but I ain't want it. You done?
Nah.
I'm gonna wash this out. We gonna have to wash this. We gotta eat out our food though. Alright, I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat this. Peace. Alright. My last piece. I'm up. You know what I mean? Dip is in here.
Dip a wing in a piece of sauce. I did.
Alright. It tastes like I gotta eat food on that. You dare me to eat? I gotta eat all of it. Damn. I'm stupid. I should never did. You dare me to? Yeah. We'll do another mukbang soon. The one day we're gonna do a mukbang. Yeah. Pizza, wings, fries, and chicken. Remember that? She broke it in a tray. But I said, I ain't feel like eating that day. Remember? I don't even want this.
You gotta eat it, nigga. You should have never said.
What am I doing? This is garlic sauce. I can't eat that.
Look, I'm dipping it in garlic sauce.
It's just the skin, so. Yeah, you gotta eat it too. Now this not.
When you dip chicken in garlic sauce, it's salty.
It depends what kind of chicken it is.
Because this was real good.
I dipped it in,
He dipped the wing in piece of sauce.
I quit. If I quit, you gotta punch me?
Put it on butter making.
No, alright. Eat fast. Dude, this all skin. I'm just like eating like a baby now. I'm done. Look. Eat the top. Look at my hands. Piece of sauce and garlic and sauce all over my hands. Now after this, wash my hands, get some more water and some
last piece.
I'm gonna get some pizza. If there's some more, I'm gonna get some more. Pizza look good.
I don't want no more of that garlic sauce.
It's nasty.
That's salty.
It's alright. Are you done? After this, you're gonna be done, okay? I'm here. Just tell me when you're done. You done?
No. I'm done after this bite.
I'm done. So that's it for today's vlog. Make sure you do all the things for me. And there's 4 things I need you to do for me. I'm gonna need you to turn on the post notification. Comment down below what challenge you do that. Like this video and subscribe in 3, 2, 1. Make sure you do that right now. We'll be dropping another banger. G Squad.